Okay, get a glass or a bowl, put in about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil. I'm using organic extra virgin olive oil. Add the same amount of soy sauce. Then add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. You can use toasted sesame oil or pure sesame oil. Both work well. Then add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Just stir this together. Set this aside and make your popcorn. Once your popcorn is ready and it's still hot, get the sauce, drizzle it over it. Then add about a cup of wasabi peas and some seaweed sheets. Just break them up like that and tear them, put them in here. Depends how much you want. Usually I find 2 or 3 sheets is about how much I want. Now just toss. Oh, yum. Seriously, this is so yummy and really makes for an interesting night watching movies with popcorn that's like this. This sushi popcorn is so awesome. Simple cooking.